So guys, we're gonna play Brookhaven, and we're gonna pick and preppy in Brookhaven.
Mag-aral sa kayang mat muna. Hindi kita mandala. Magdamay nga ito, nagbablog siya. Nag-start ka na siya rin.
Ano? Okay lang, tapi nanonood yun. Lang. Preppy, that's not a preppy. It's okay. Preppy time. It's okay. Preppy, yeah. In silent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cause I'm 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, this looks cute too.
So, talaga maka-explain. So, madaming sunflower.
Not this. It's this to this. Okay, fine. This. You get the wrong spelling. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8. Click if you want.
Pero anak kita magdapan siya.
Okay, guys. I mean, guys, this is the reveal. Yeah. So I'm premium. Yeah, I'm premium. And now I wanna build a house. Sorry, I'm lagging. I'm not there. Oh, yeah, fire, fire. Let's build a small house that I can fit only half.
Wag na wag mong ipapahawak itong singsing mo na to kahit kanino. Mapajowa, pamilya, kahit kanino, wag na wag. Lalo na yung mga tao kakakilala mo lang tapos sobrang ere-ere dyan sa singsing na yan. Ay, minsan ito touch talaga yan ng mga person kahit alam naman nilang bawal i-touch. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala. Wag muna touch ng ibang tao.
But it's okay, I want this. Hello. So let's go. We're going today. So no one can rob, bro. Wait, guys, I'm gonna sleep on my safety bed. Now this morning, shit, you wanna sit there again, the girl I really want sa panay mo psycho ba ay mo naman da likupin pa si ate sobrang sabi sa bahay. So guys, do you know all my name in my YouTube channel? It's Zoe Alexa 123, the handle name. But the name on the top, it's Zoe Alexa and a heart emoji. Please subscribe.
Alright, so let's start.
Oh.
Humankind is composed of 26 characters. These characters are used to write the native Japanese words, including the particles and verbs, which is actually unusual in English sentence pattern. We have the subject, verb, and the object, but when it comes to the Japanese sentence,
The view is so beautiful.
object,
I wish my friend could come there, but she don't have a Roblox. So it's okay. Guys, can we end this up? I'm just tired. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys.
Sinira mo sa Awana yung page mo.